This video is to show you how to create a Works Cited page on your MLA formatted document. Start by going to the end of your document and placing your cursor after the last sentence. Go to Insert, go to Break, and select Page Break. This is going to move you down to the next page. From here, you're going to start building your Works Cited page. Go to Tools, go to Citations, make sure that you've selected MLA 8th edition, and click Add Citation Source. Now you may have more sources than what I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you a general way to create your list and how to add them to your document. If you have more sources, let's say you looked up some information on the internet, you may have to select other things on this list. But first source you have is going to be your book for the class. In this case, we have the Brainstorm, Power and Purpose of the Teenage Brain. So we're going to select book. We're going to select accessed by print. And now it's asking if we want to search by the ISBN. This is the easiest way to find information on a book. Your ISBN number is going to be on the back of your book, on the barcode, or it'll be inside the front cover opposite the title page. In this case, our Brainstorm book's ISBN number is 978-1101-631522. Type in the whole ISBN number and then hit search. And most of the time, your citation tool will be able to find the whole book for you. It's done that here. Double check that the information looks correct and click on continue. Take a quick look, make sure there's nothing that needs to be added or changed. Some things you might want to add is the city of publication. That can be found in that can be found on that title page as well. In this case, it was in New York. If this book has multiple editions, you can note which edition. That's not the case for this particular assignment. And click Add Citation Source. That's going to be your first citation. Now we're going to add one of your sources for this class was a video. So we're going to select website. We're going to copy the URL for one of your videos, and we're going to paste that into the website bar and click on search. It actually finds most of the information we need for that video from YouTube. We can click continue. Fill in any information that's missing. In this case, we're missing the name of the author of this video, and his name is Martin Richards. So we'll type that in. If there was more than one person who had contributed to this video, we might hit add contributor and add another person. In this case, we've just got one. We do want to acknowledge the publisher, which is TEDx Talks. Notice that TED is all capital letters. That's because it's actually an acronym. So when you type that into your information or refer to TED Talk, make sure you've capitalized TED. The URL should be there, the day it was published, the day we accessed it. In this case, it's today's date, and click Add Citation Source. You can add as many videos, websites, or books as you've actually used in your paper. And you should include all of the citations for all of the information you've included in your paper. Once you've gotten everything you want to include, click Insert Works Cited. And it will set up your Works Cited page for you automatically with the hanging indents, and it'll set everything up alphabetically. You won't have to worry about changing anything if you do it this way. If you need to do your Works Cited page manually without using the tools, there's some other ways to do it, and we can meet together to do that. Feel free to come to my office hours.